This is the MBR Electronics USS-9500 soldering system. The unit currently is in temp standby. I'm not sure how long it takes for it to go there. We couldn't find a manual for it, but I think it's around a half an hour. If you push the pedal, then it goes out of the standby. Here's your temperature control. On the rear of the machine there's a switch that locks that so you can't accidentally change the temperature. Over here is your sonic control. Or you can change it to watts. Here you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. When the system's up to temperature, the system ready light will come on. So pretty simple to use. Here on the back is the switch I was telling you about to lock the temperature control. And the unit is powered 100 to 260 volts. See, now the system ready indicator's on. Temperature's controlling.